Okay, welcome back. I'm going to continue talking about the Fractal Cosmos. This is what I call the Fractal Cosmos. In this episode, I'm going to talk a little bit about the types of particles at the various levels within the hierarchy of particles. This whole Fractal Cosmos is nothing but particles. However, we have these substrates, which are very large balls. This one, we could say, is the diameter of our universe, has a diameter which is equal to the diameter of our universe. And this one may be a neutron star in our universe. So you can see that this series ends. These are our atoms. This is our universe. These are particles in the universe beyond our universe. If you were to go out 15 billion light years, you'd be in another universe and it would have very small particles. The particles would be trillions of times smaller than the nucleus of our atoms, be smaller than quarks, be 10 to the minus 30th radius. So that's universe level 1, and we could call our universe 0, 1, 2, who knows, 3, 4, 5. Somewhere it ends up with very, very tiny atoms, which are vibrating at a very high frequency, and the speed of light is perhaps as close to infinity as you can imagine. As we come down through these levels to our universe, atoms are about 10 to the minus 15 meters in diameter. Now, just as a matter of convenience, we talk about two types of atoms. Atoms can be either in a substrate packed together at nuclear densities, which would be this here. You can't even see the atoms, they're packed so tightly together. Or they can be stratum atoms. They can be vibrations on that substrate. Because, as we'll find out in the next episode, atoms are three-dimensional standing waves on a substrate of higher order atoms. Okay, so we have stratum, substrate, substrate, next level substrate, stratum particles in that substrate, drawn together by gravity to form a substrate. So we can talk about a particle, a fractal particle, as being either a substrate particle, a condensed mass, or a free stratum particle. And that's all for this episode. Next episode I'll be talking some about these three-dimensional standing waves, what are the characteristics of them, and we'll take it from there. So that's all for today.